Okay, today we are in Pigeon Forge in the Lumberjack Square, and we're going to the opening of the soap factory, Smoky Mountains. See, this is where we are, this big old thing next to the Lumberjack Feud. And it's on the left side of it. Yeah, it's right next to the milkshake yard. The yard milkshake bar, yeah. Yeah, which we have a video of. Check it out. The soap factory. And we're gonna go in and check it out. It's their opening.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Welcome.
Welcome. Pretty good. How are you?
We kind of got a mess. It's a soft opening, so we're getting everything connected there.
No, and you don't mind if we record?
Yeah, I don't mind. Let me clean off the counter.
Look at these beautiful things.
I wish the smells could come through the recording.
Yeah, I know, right? Because they smell good. They look beautiful.
We have lots and lots of different scents, and I'm waiting on my labels to come in
got
for those.
glitter.
Those are our local scents, and I'll just tell you real quick.
Ooh.
All of these were designed around the Smoky Mountains. We have women's on this side and men's on this side.
Okay.
So we have, sorry. We have Jolene, Coat of Many Colors, Fancy, Mountain Mama, Appalachian Honey, Wildflower, and that one is Smoky Mountain Rain on the end.
Oh,
So
nice.
all these are inspired by the Smoky Mountains on this side, and we've got men's on the other side over here. So we've got some Mountain Man and Old Smoky and Farmhouse. So there's lots of men's local scents as well.
Awesome. Love spell.
You guys should. Are you on TikTok?
Beautiful.
Yeah, well, we don't do a lot on TikTok.
Sweet Grace.
Yeah.
Island Nectar. Sweet Magnolia. Diva. Look at that.
So this is our top selling product. It's amazing. The scent lasts forever.
Oh, really?
And you can get our laundry soap in any of our scents. Something our customers can do. They come in and they grab, this is unscented. They bring it to our bar and they say, hey, I'd like this to be Bum Bum scent, or I'd like it to be Smoky
cool.
Mountain Rain. And we send it right in front of them.
That's awesome. And they do that back there?
Yes, and that's actually a mess right now.
Not a problem.
It might be better to get a video after grand opening for that.
Yeah.
Because right now we're still trying to stock the floor and get it.
Understand.
All. But
I like the price on that.
Yeah.
lots of great stuff.
That's very cool.
Candles, our wax
Soap.
melts. Ingredients go, we do try to list above a lot of our products, especially body products. You know, people want to know what's in it. And you can see it's all very clean ingredients here. Everything's really good for your skin. So we try to be as transparent as possible.
Yeah.
You know, if you've got allergies or you want to go natural, you know
Absolutely.
what's going on.
Good to know.
And we are still working on it, but eventually, as soon as we get it all made, you can get every product in every scent. So you'll have everything.
Very cool. That's nice. Here's hand soap. Lemongrass. And here's shower steamers, like the Vicks. They have the Vicks. And then sinus balm. Mommy needs some of those.
Yeah.
Warm sunshine.
So we actually have customers say, you know, they love the big ones, but when you just want to use it for one shower, you know, you have to put it away. So we make smaller pucks.
That's a good
so,
idea.
Like one-use pucks for them.
Very cool. That's sinus balm. Very cool.
Sugar scrubs.
And they're 6 each or 2 for $10 for the big ones.
Have a gift section coming soon.
Whipped soap. Oh, wow. I bet that's nice. Bath salts. Oh. Yeah, I wish you guys could smell this. Oh, there's like a little sponge inside.
Hi, welcome.
Wow. The shave bars. Yes, sir. Football is my favorite season.
Go Vols.
Go Vols. Gosh, they have so much stuff in here, guys. You would love this. They have real sponges. Wow. Very cool. They have animal products here too for your pets. They have pet spray, because in case they stinky, and you can spray it directly on them. Little bar soaps. Ah, those smell good. Pet soap. Awesome.
Laundry balls, and you have to bring them back to get them rescented with the oils.
Oh.
So we have a bottle. We just sell you the bottle, and you can just keep rescenting it, toss it in your dryer, and it pairs really well with our laundry detergent.
I've actually used wool balls before, and they work very well.
They do. They do.
Couple drops of oils, and
Yes, they're amazing.
that's
And
pretty good.
Zero waste, you know.
Absolutely. Look at that. Such a great idea. Ooh, here's car scents, room sprays. Nice. And here's some loofahs, sea wool, natural sponge. That's what we saw over there by the window. Oh, cool. Like little pumice stone sponge things. Very nice. Ooh, and these are hard. These are the real good pumice stones. And they have beard oil and body spray farmhouse smell. Oh, I bet that smells so good. Okay, that smells great. Very cool. Body butter. And those are so pretty. And little balms. Cutie balm. Aw. We're gonna get some of these wool balls and one of these awesome oils for the dryer. And we settled on Bum Bum. Smells good. So we're gonna try the laundry soap, and you bring it back there, and they scent it for you. Yeah, that's really pretty. Mahogany teak wood. Here, let's smell that. Ooh, I want to smell farmhouse too. What does the farmhouse smell like? That smells good. I like that. Oh, that's nice.
That's a good bathroom candle there.
Yeah. Midnight blue citrus. Wow. I could smell these things all day. They have wax melts. Like Scentsy stuff.
Yeah.
Or
Can you use that on the Scentsy?
yeah.
I just realized.
A couple people are trickling in.
What is
I
So
am.
Rylan is going to help you here. Do you
Okay.
know what scent you want? What fragrance?
Volcano.
Volcanoes. Okay, your volcano.
You guys don't mind if I record?
No, we don't mind. We're
Okay.
just still training and making sure everything.
No
is-
worries.
I'll get out of the way so that it'll
Not
be just
a
good.
problem.
So you're going to, for 16 ounce, 1.5 ounce fragrance. That's what you're to. And we'll go in here before you do that, and then we'll dump their detergent in here, so you get to actually watch us mix it.
Awesome.
This is unscented detergent, and we'll add your scent to it.
Nice.
1.5. Need a little bit more. I think volcano is his favorite scent too.
Oh, is it?
I love the lemon palm.
Oh, I didn't get to smell that one.
incorporated really well.
Okay.
Because it's no sense if you not get it both.
I need one of those. Alright, make sure you get the center real good. And that looks good. So you can scoop it in there. I'll get you one of those seasoning bowls so you can make a little.
Okay.
The best you can with that one. Powder, and we have all these new low water washers. You'll toss the powder in first in the drum. Even if you have a tray, it goes in the drum, and then
Okay.
your clothes directly on top
You put it directly in the
in the drum.
drum.
That's what I was going to ask. It's okay, like on an HE.
Yeah, it's HE
Just
safe.
pour the soap in.
Just because
powder
it's
in
not
first
liquid, it won't
in the
drain
barrel.
out of your drawer.
Okay.
So you need to put it in the drum first, then close on
Oh,
top.
okay, perfect.
And you're
Thank
good
you.
to
Yeah.
go, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, these are little soaps. Oh, little shapes. Oh, look at the camo motorcycle. Very cute. Room spray. Looks like a successful grand opening. They open officially at 5 p.m. and Sunday they're going to have another grand opening from 1 to 9, I believe. And they just have all kinds of fantastic smells in there. Everything in there you can have scented to, you know, everything's going to have any scent you want that they offer. It's kind of cool. So come out and show your support to this brand new business and help them take off. And it is literally right next to the Yard Milkshake Bar, right next to Calhoun's, right off the strip here.
So today we're in Pigeon Forge, and we went to the soft opening of the soap factory. It's a brand new store. It's in the Lumberjack Square. It's literally, I guess, a couple of businesses down from Calhoun's restaurant. And it's right next to the Milkshake Bar.
Like right next to it.
Milkshake Yard, I'm sorry. And what an amazing store. The smells when you walk in are just amazing. There's so many different ones.
But it's not overpowering at all.
No, not at all.
It's very nice and natural.
There are so many different things that you can choose from in there. They have laundry detergent that you can actually send to a scent that you like.
Yeah, they use essential oil type stuff.
We actually did that. We got some laundry detergent today.
As you saw.
And it's called Volcano. And it sounds rough, but it's absolutely an awesome smell.
It smells good.
And then we got some pet spray. You can literally get spray for your pet.
That you can spray actually on them. So.
And it's everything in the store is so good.
And it's
For the
plant-based.
environment, it's so good for animals. It's so good for you as individuals, and just so many different things to choose from. They have candles that are literally in a wooden plaque that looks like a football helmet. So if you're liking a football, that's like a really cool centerpiece to maybe have on your coffee table. Just so many different things in here, and so many different items that you can choose. Soaps that are good for you. Maybe you're older or what have you, but there's soaps that are good for that as well. There's soaps that are just perfect. I mean, so many different things. I mean,
and they can scent it any of the I almost said flavors, any of the scents. Each thing can have any of the scents, so it's nice that they can scent it for you.
Mm-hmm. Bath salts. They have bath salts in there.
Pamper yourself.
Yeah, absolutely. And
We'll be back. We'll be doing another
absolutely. And I
video on it.
literally asked about pumpkin smell, and they have pumpkin crunch in there. It smelled really good. It was a larger candle in there. Just candles, bath, things, all kinds of different things. You gotta check it out, especially if you're.
They have beard care. They have stuff in there for men
absolutely,
too.
Yeah, they have beard care. You gotta check it out if you're within this mall region. You know, the Lumberjack Square. Definitely check their store out. There's such nice people. Everybody in there, even when they scented our laundry detergent, they're just nice. They converse with you. They talk about what they're doing. And you'll see in the video a little bit, or you saw in the video a little bit about how they scented our laundry detergent we got and stuff like that. So definitely a place that we will definitely be coming back to. So gotta check this place out. If you do check this place out, make sure that you leave comments down below so we can 100% know what your thoughts of it were.
Yeah.
Mila is the owner of the soap factory, and she walked around with us and told us all about all these different things. So if you come in here one day, check out and see if Mila's here, and she will 100% help you.
Yeah, they explain how everything works and how they create it, how you can mix it in the back there for you. So, all right.
Okay.
Well, bye for now.
In Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
Keep taking those 99 jeans.